guys, Megan at Beige House. Hey guys, Megan at Beige. Hey guys, Megan at Beige House here. And my husband just asked me to make him a formula that I used to create when I was running a skincare company. And it is a massage oil that has some, I don't want to say healing properties, but he really likes it for his sore muscles. He has a lot of back problems, and most recently he messed his ankle up pretty badly when we were digging our dry well. So he has requested this recipe that is, you know, one of my best sellers when I was running a skincare company. It's only 2 ingredients, so it is super easy to make and pick up. All you need is Arnica Montana flowers, dried. You want to make sure they're dry. So if you've never heard of it, Arnica Montana is a dry, well, it's a real flower, but it's used as a dried flower for sore muscle and pain, I guess, relief. It was used, or I believe still is used, by Native Americans, and it grows in the United States. I had been using it, I don't know, for years. I would make like a tiger balm with oil, Arnica oil, and I just really loved the application of it. So I started making a massage oil with it using just Arnica and an essential oil blend, which you can find on Beauty Biz Pro. And it was just so popular, and it helped so many people. It felt so amazing to be able to do something like that. And especially, selfishly, it helped my husband. And so I kept making it, and when I closed my business, I made a huge jug of it for him, and it's been like 5 years now, and he's just begun to run out. So he asked me to make some more, and that's what I'm gonna do. A jar, which I just picked this up for $4 at Dollar General, and fractionated coconut oil. I actually got this at my old soap supply places, but you can pick this up on Amazon for, you know, way smaller amounts. This is 7 pounds, so it's a lot. But I wanted to make him enough for the long term. You can actually see the top of my basement / YouTube studio, but you know, we do the best we can. So this is a super simple recipe. All you gotta do is, and you're gonna want a jar that seals because it's gonna be sitting for a while. You don't want to get any kind of crusties or anything gross like that. So all you have to do is just dump this all in. And again, you don't have to do this much. I'm just used to buying in bulk when I was making soap and things, and so I know where to go for. And so that's just the way I am. But, so, try and get it all in the jar if you can. Apparently for me that's a bit of a struggle. You're gonna want to fill it up about, I mean, you can honestly fill it up as much as you want, but I would recommend going about halfway, depending on the size of your jar. One more for good luck. Okay. And again, you could put it all in if you wanted, but it's just, you want to make sure that when you're starting, you kind of get the ratios right. You don't want to go overboard with it. So you can see about that much, and now we're going to add the oil. And I like fractionated coconut oil better than, I know a lot of people use sunflower oil or extra virgin olive oil. I just like fractionated coconut oil because it absorbs really quickly, it has a really long shelf life, and it feels good as a massage oil. But I mean, whatever your preferences are. It really doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to close this, seal it up, and you can see like the arnica can still move around. So now I'm gonna put this in a semi-sunny window and let it steep for 3 weeks, and then we'll come back. So I'm going to set it down here where it gets some sun, not a ton, but enough to get it to steep. Okay, so it is 3 weeks later, and now we are ready to distill. And you can see it's actually looking really good. It's very dark, which means it has distilled, or it has infused incredibly well. I'm really excited about this. So to distill, what you need is a container, a coffee filter, a funnel. And so all we're gonna do, and again, you do not need to make this much. This is just because I'm used to making this much and my husband really likes it. So we are going to, I can't do this sitting down, hold on. Just pretend that you see my face. Okay, this is always the scary part for me. So what I like to do is just raise this up a little bit and start pouring it in. And I just let it distill a little bit at a time because the funnel's not very big, so, you know. But here it goes, and once it's distilled, I'll come back and show you what happens next. I seriously forgot how long this takes. Look at that drip. Long way to go. Okay, so I want to show you, that's how much I got out of it. Pretty good, I would say. But what I really want to show you is, so here's the distilled version, the infused, and here is what it looked like before. So can you see the difference? It is just, that's crazy, right? Now, as in terms of what to do with the leftover arnica, it's up to you. If it's for personal use, you can reuse it. It's just not gonna be as potent. If you're selling this, I would definitely advise that you toss it and start over again. Now, the smell of it, it's an earthy smell. It's not my favorite, but it's not completely unpleasant. But what I like to do is add essential oils to it. And this is my essential oil blend that I have in Beauty Biz Pro. But if you wanna look around, there are tons of resources for finding essential oils that are very good for muscle pain or soothing and calming. Go easy on it. I would say that maybe 1 milliliter for every 200 milliliters of oil is probably the best ratio. Despite what you may have heard, essential oils on their own are incredibly powerful and can do a lot with a little amount. So definitely would recommend just taking it easy with it. I'm gonna do, I would say 3 capfuls of this because again, it's for personal use. It doesn't have to be precise, and that should probably get me about a milliliter's worth, 3 milliliters worth, I should say. So I wish I still had my old droppers. That would be way more efficient than this. But we do the best we can, right? Just wipe my hands off. I love that smell. And just mix it around a little bit. Again, if this was for selling, then I would probably do it a little bit more professionally, but Steve doesn't care. And now I'm gonna put the cap on. And voila, there is my Arnica Montana massage oil. And if you are interested in me doing more skincare recipes, leave a comment below and let me know. I'd be happy to show you all of the things that I've learned along the way. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.